genuinely feel sorry for you. I was in your position a few years ago, so I do understand what you're going through right now. I know there are some problems in your life. Otherwise, you wouldn't have clicked on this video. That's why, believe me when I say this, I will make sure the minutes you spend on this video don't go to waste. Be honest with yourself for 1 second. You've been talking about changing your life for months, maybe years. You say you want focus. You say you want discipline, but you're still stuck doing the same useless crap every single day. I'm not here to pat you on the back. I'm here to give you something that might actually wake you the hell up. The plan I am about to share isn't a drink more water and journal type of self-help plan. This is 30 days of war. War against your comfort zone. War against your weak mind. War against the part of you that keeps wasting time. And yeah, some of these challenges will sound ridiculous. You might laugh. You might think I'm just trolling you, but I'm requesting you try them without overthinking. Trust me for 30 days, and I promise you won't even recognize yourself in the mirror. Nobody's coming to save you. Not your parents, not your friends, not some magic burst of motivation. You got 30 days to prove to yourself that you're not just another background character in your own life. Let's break down the 10-day progressive challenge first. Here's how this works. For the first 10 days, you add one new challenge each day while keeping everything from previous days. By day 10, you're doing all 10 simultaneously. Then you maintain that complete routine for the remaining 20 days. Day 1, the monk morning. For the next 30 days, no phone, no scrolling, no talking to anyone for the first 2 hours after waking up. You wake up, drink water, move your body, and work on something important. This isn't your typical monk mode bullshit where you lock yourself in a room and cut off every social connection. That's total garbage because 90% of people need to go out, especially if you're a student. But the second you let digital noise into your brain in the morning, your focus for the rest of the day is completely fucked. Day 2, the discomfort protocol. This isn't just waking up at 5 a.m. You start the day with something physically uncomfortable, not cold showers. Honestly, I don't do that because it's not practical for most people. Do 50 push-ups, whatever makes you go, why am I doing this? Look, I wake up at 6 a.m. because it's simply not possible for me to go to bed before 10:30 p.m. due to my workload, and taking naps gives me headaches, so I never nap. After waking up, I go to the gym, come back, start working until afternoon, take breaks, then work again. It might sound boring, but at least I go to bed feeling like I actually accomplished something and sleep peacefully. Every time you break comfort early in the day, the rest feels easy. Day 3, digital amputation. Delete 3 apps you waste the most time on. Not mute them, not hide them, delete them completely. You'll feel phantom urges to open them. That's your addiction talking. Use that urge as fuel to do something productive instead of scrolling like an NPC. Day 4, the hard bed experiment. Sleep on the floor with just a thin mat or blanket. Sounds weird? Floor sleep resets your posture, reduces oversleeping, and makes you appreciate your real bed when you've earned it back. Stop treating yourself like royalty when you're performing like a peasant. This is just for 30 days. Day 5, social blackout. No unnecessary talking the entire day. Text only for urgent things. No calls, no gossip. Let's be honest, if you're watching self-improvement content, you literally don't have good friends. What you have are parasites in your life disguised as friends. Just ask them to send you $70 for an emergency and they'll fold immediately. If they were good friends, they'd discuss this with their parents if they're students and help you out. If you really had quality friends, you wouldn't need to watch self-improvement videos because you'd already be improving. Real friends push you forward. If your friends don't talk about money or working for success, all you have are parasites who will leave you the moment you fall into trouble. When you cut social noise, your brain suddenly has more bandwidth for deep work. If you're under 20, ditch your boyfriend or girlfriend. At the end of the day, they are just wasting your time. Why do they even need to know if you had lunch? What difference does that make to them? Day 6, meal frequency reduction. I'm not asking you to eat less. If you're used to eating 25,000 calories and eat 4 times a day, keep the same calories but reduce the frequency. If you eat 3 times, eat twice only. I'm not telling you to starve yourself or eat less. Just reduce frequency for 30 days only. You'll be shocked at how much energy you still have once you get past the initial hunger. It's discipline training for your stomach and your mind. Day 7, the mirror confrontation. Stand in front of a mirror, look directly into your own eyes, and talk for 5 to 10 minutes about your plans and what you're going to achieve in the next 5 years. How much money you want, everything. No music, no distractions, just you and yourself. It's going to feel uncomfortable because you can't lie to yourself at that moment. You'll see exactly who you've been avoiding. Day 8, the public promise. Post publicly about one habit you're committing to for the next 22 days and update people daily. Fear of embarrassment will force you to stay consistent. You can join my Discord and there's a progress log, so if you want, you can update there. Just avoid the general chat, it's kind of distracting. Day 9, the 900 rep rule. Pick 3 basic exercises. Push-ups, squats, crunches. Do a total of 900 reps in one day, spread out however you want. This breaks your mental limit of "I can't do more" and turns it into "I just did that." Is it better for growing muscle? Hell no, it's counter-effective. I have a free workout plan you can download from the description. But even if you download it, I want you to follow this 900 rep rule for 30 days. Even if you're doing easy variants of each exercise, it doesn't matter. This isn't about hypertrophy or anything like that. It's about mental breakthrough. Day 10. Complete audio silence. Go the entire day in silence unless you're speaking to someone. No music, no podcasts, no noise. Your mind will go nuts at first. Then you'll notice you start thinking clearly for the first time in years. Now here's the thing. These are only the first 10 days. If you can survive them, the rest of the 30 will feel like you're leveling up in a video game. Some of these will feel impossible at first. Some will make you hate me. Most people will watch this, feel motivated for about 48 hours, then make excuses about why these challenges are too extreme. Perfect. That's exactly why they stay average while you transform into someone you actually respect. That's it for today. I'm genuinely grateful to every single person who bought the study guide to support the cause. Across all platforms, over 40 people have grabbed a copy so far, and that means the world to me. If you've read it, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Feedback and testimonials help me improve and inspire others to take the leap. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. We're so close to hitting 100K. Let's cross that milestone together. Much love and see you in the next one.